Welcome. If you want to send a photo with a message to a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can share both images and text with your group chat in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you to your direct messages, where all your private conversations and group chats are stored. Next, find the group you want to send your photo and text to. You can scroll through your list of conversations, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group. Click on the group chat to open it. Now, at the bottom of the chat window, you'll see several icons. Click on the media icon, which looks like a small picture or camera. This will open a file selection window on your computer. Browse your files, select the photo you want to send, and then click Open to upload it. Once your photo appears in the message box, you'll see a space where you can type your message. Go ahead and write whatever you want to say to your group. This could be a caption, some context for the photo, or anything else you'd like to share. When you're ready, simply click the Send button. Your photo and message will be delivered together to everyone in the group instantly. It's that easy. With these simple steps, you can keep your group chats on X lively and engaging by sharing both images and text, all from your PC. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy connecting with your friends and communities on X.